God. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, what? I can't hear. Yeah, like, yeah, don't mind. ये looking like my friend Arjun. Welcome back in my reaction series on the Ramson pets. I'm here Rajit Ramson. Let's deep dive into the videos. You know what? I love watching all the animal videos, either pets or animals. I just flow with the videos. One more thing, please help animals, support animals. If you can't, please don't harm them, don't hurt them. So I receive few videos from my team. What I can do, I will just simply react on the videos. You can just hit the subscribe button and enjoy all the videos while watching. Okay, so here is first video. Oh my god, she is looking like a celebrity cat. Oh my god. Oh, she don't touch her. Oh my god. Oh, all the people are taking his photo. Brilliant, yeah. See, now I'm a big star. Okay, brilliant. What? That's a so supporting nature of pet, yeah. Oh, brilliant. But what the pet name is, please let me know in the comment box. Okay. Puppy. Oh my god. So brilliant, yeah. So brilliant. Oh my god. Honey. Brilliant. Oh my god. Oh, वो डर रहा है. Oh wow. Awesome, yeah. What? Brilliant, yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, so cute, yeah. So cute, intelligent. Awesome. वो छुप गया है. Wow, oh my god. Awesome. So supportive and so pretty cute, yeah. Awesome. Brilliant, yeah. This is awesome. Brilliant.
Nimang Pretang Remix.
Oh, no.
Oh, what? Oh my god! I can't hear. Oh my god! Yeah, oh my god! Awesome, yeah, brilliant! Oh my god! So, oh, wow, yeah, wow! So intelligent, यार waste नहीं होना चाहिए food. Oh my god! So great, यार. Like, yeah, don't mind, Dada. ये looking like my friend Arjun. Arjun Dubey. Awesome, यार. Brilliant, यार. चश्मा लगाने का style. He is inspired from Sadhguru. Brilliant, यार. He is meditating. Oh my god. Awesome, यार. Pretty awesome. Oh, what? My god. ये slap मारेगा क्या इसको? I don't know really what will happen in this video, but it will be incredible. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. धुआं खा रहा है यार. So these are the videos. It was 9th episode. Please help animals, support animals, and you know, all the pets. Some pets are dangerous, but mostly pets are so, you know, cute, brilliant, and talented, creative. So please don't hurt them, don't harm them. Till take care and keep watching all the videos. I'll meet you with another.